class. Today we want to use today's class to know the bones in our body. So I entitled it, Know the Bones in Your Body. Know the bones in your body. This is a skeletal representation of bony framework of human being. So as you can see, from head to toe, these are all the bones that are present in your body. From the head, we have the skull. The skull is the bony framework that covers the brain, and it plays a major role of protecting the brain from injury. Then we have the eye socket, where our eyes are fixed. We have the nose cavity in the brain, and we have the jaw. We have the jaw, we have the upper and the lower jaw. The upper jaw is called the mandible, and the lower jaw is called the maxilla. Then at the back, you can see the bone that are arranged from the head or from the skull to the what? To the back up to the trunk region. So the total bone in the body is classified into two. We have what we refer to as, that is known as the skeleton. So the skeleton in the body is subdivided into two. We have the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. So the axial skeleton is referred, there are two types of axial skeletons. That is what? The bone of the head, which is skull, and what? And the spinal cord. The head and the spinal cord are referred to as what? The axial skeleton. So after the head is the skull, then the backbones are referred to as what? The vertebral bone, or we call them vertebral column. So the first two vertebral columns are referred to as the atlas and axis. The atlas and the axis, because the vertebral bone are also subdivided into five for human. We have the cervical vertebra, we have the thoracic vertebra, we have the lumbar vertebra, we have the sacral vertebra, and also we have the caudal vertebra. The first two cervical are referred to as atlas and axis. Then the thorax vertebra are the backbone that are found at thorax region, which is at the chest region. Also, the remaining one, we have the lumbar, we have the sacral, and we have the caudal. The caudal in human is not produced, unlike other mammals such as rabbits, which have more tail. That is what we refer to as the tailbone. The tailbone is the caudal vertebra. Now, after the head, the backbone, the remaining part of the bone, they refer to as appendicular bone. So here we have the shoulder blade, or we call it the clavicle. Then we have the pectoral girdles, which support the arm. Then we have the humerus, this bone, the bone from your shoulder to this place is what we refer to as the humerus. Then these two bones, this one we have the ulna, the ulna and radius. The ulna and radius. Then we have the tarsa, the metatarsa, and the phalanges. Tarsa, metatarsa, and the phalanges. The bones of the chest here is referred to as the sternum. This is the sternum. Then also here the ribs. The ribs are attached to the what? To the sternum. Then also we have the pelvic girdles that support the pelvic. The pelvic girdle. Then after the pelvic girdle, we have this bone, which is known as the longest bone in the body. The longest bone in the body, and it is known as what? It is known as femur. This bone is known as femur. Then after the femur, we have the nail calf, which is called the patella. What I call the class, it is called the what? The patella. Then also we have the ulna, we have the tibia and fibula. This is the tibia, this is the fibula. We have the carpa, metacarpa, and the phalanges of the leg. Thank you very much for listening.